The 4th of July is right around the corner. It's a time when we celebrate with good food, great friends, and of course, loud and bright fireworks. Hi, I'm Andrea Avery, United States Postal Inspector. While definitely fun, it is often illegal to buy fireworks in some states and completely against the law to light them off in others. Of course, that doesn't stop thousands of people from doing so. How you obtain these fireworks is another story. While fireworks laws vary from state to state, there is one law that is consistent throughout the states. You cannot mail them. Although you may see fireworks for sale online, they cannot be sent using the United States Postal Service. Imagine the damage caused and the danger posed to postal employees by illegal fireworks accidentally being set off while in the mail. So, if it's legal, enjoy the rockets' red glare and the bombs bursting in air as you celebrate Independence Day. Just don't send them in the mail. For more information, visit uspis.gov.